Hi, my name is Michael from Beamex. This video is super exciting to take. I'm going to be unboxing this brand new MC6. You're going to see what you're going to get when you buy one of those. Let's do it. Right, comes in a box like this. You open the box, first thing you see, well, it's a folder. Let's have a look what's inside that folder. You can see there is some instruction manual. Oh, and calibration certificate. This of course is extremely handy to know exactly where your calibrator is, what sort of value achieved at calibrations. Obviously here at Beamex we have got an accredited lab that can do all those calibrations. One thing to mention is the uncertainty for each individual point. Not many companies doing that. You can see all the different functions. Handy to have, definitely keep it safe. So that's there. I can see some accessory box. This box could be used for any leads, clips, anything like that. You can attach it to the side of the MC6. And then there is MC6 itself. In a case like this. This is just a carry case, an optional one. You don't have to have it if you don't want to. Okay. There you have it. That's the MC6, brand new. I think we need to pause here for a second because it smells new. It's brand new. It's lovely. Don't you like it? Smell of new, brand new things. Right, this particular calibrator has got one pressure module installed, -1 to 20 bar. Yeah, it's pretty nice, I like it. Okay, so that's that. Obviously this particular one came with the soft carrying case. It's useful to put things like chargers and pressure pumps, some clips here as well. Very handy to have. I've got another 2 boxes here. The first box has got some chargers, a microfiber cloth for cleaning the MC6 screen, some literature here on the CD, and a manual. And there is another box here with some test leads and some clips. You can see different kinds of test leads. Oh, it even has got a pressure hose set, so for the pressure module, so you don't have to get a separate one. Has got a USB cable to connect the MC6 to the PC, so that's very handy. And more test clips and test leads. Very nice. There you have it. This is what you're going to get when you buy an MC6, a brand new, out of the box. Thank you so much for watching.